Hello and welcome to Khana Mubarak. So the Shri Vasavi Avadebele Mela, the biggest food festival in Bengaluru, has concluded on 9th. So I'll be showing you a glimpse of the Mela, what we tried, what were the ultimate items. There are many counters like masala vada, bonda, dosa, saru, and there are at least 40 food items prepared from the avarebale beans. So if for the people who don't know what is that avarekai or avarebale, this is the beans which is also known as hyacinth beans in English and known as avarebale or avarekai in Kannada. We enjoyed the food and fun at the mela, and this is the gulab jamun which was prepared from the beans, and this is the pakoda. So I have never seen pakoda being prepared in such large quantities, and it was getting over very quickly, and hence they were repeatedly making the pakoda and other items, many items. And this is the actual entrance from the National College ground. There were huge crowd, and we went on a weekend on a Saturday, so there was a huge rush, and the counters were full. It was a really a fair, and this is the price chart and the list of items prepared using the avarebele beans. So there were holige, dosa, chitranna, shavige baat, uppitu, masala vada, and there are many food items prepared from the avarebele beans. And this fair was organized in a very huge manner, and let's come to the food now. So our first item is the avarebele crispy beans. So there's a token which you have to take after standing in the queue, and then you have to present it and take the food items. This is the kodubale. This was also good. There were separate food counters for separate types of food, and there was huge queues at every counter, and you have to take the token, and in the same queue you have to present it and get the food items. This is the pakoda which is being prepared, and it was being prepared in large quantities. And what I noticed was that as soon as the quantity was getting over, they were preparing it again and again. This is the pakoda made from avarebale beans, and this is the counter where they were selling the avarebale beans mixture. And one thing I noticed in this counter was that there were three to four items of the avarebale mixture, and along with that there were some other mixtures like this one. This is the mixture which is easily available throughout the year in outside market, and these are the specific beans mixture. So in every counter and every food counter I noticed was there was other items as well which are easily available in the market. And the main things were the food prepared from the avarebele beans. So these are the mixtures prepared from the avarebele beans. There were huge queues on each and every food counter, and people were taking the food and eating it while standing in another queue for another food counter. And there were also other counters for apparels which are not related to the availability mela, but this is a fair, so there are many other counters as well, like the ice cream counters, the apparels, the merchandise section. And this is the nipattu, which is a famous snack of Bengaluru, Karnataka. This was also prepared with a touch of beans here, as you can see. This, as you can see, is the crispy beans which were being fried, and this was the only items which among which we tried was not good. It was hard and it was very chewy. There were many mosure, kodobale was there, and avarebale crispy bean. So this crispy bean was not that good and hard, but a kodobale was good. So these are the food items which were being served at the avarebale mela 2024, which just concluded on 9th of January. It started from 5th January and it was there until 9th January. So this is the kodubale which is also being sold at this counter. The kodubale was good, but a little chewy, and the crispy beans were not that good. So these are the food items. There are many other items like the avarebale roti, which was mixed with the rice flour and ragi flour, and it was being served with the avarebale saru or the curry. So this is the ragi roti mixed with avarebale, and this is the counter where they were preparing the rotis. The highlight of the avarebale mela or fair was all the items were tasty, but there were some items which were very tasty and ultimate, and where they stand out. This is the avarebale gobi, same like gobi manchurian, but they have added beans in it. There's also rumali roti. This is the normal rumali roti which was served with the avarebale curry or saru. They served it with the saru, and there are many people actually trying each and every item. So this was the available gobi. The gobi Manchurian as it is available in the outside, but here it was a slight variation of the dish and they have added the beans in it. So we didn't try this item. There are many items like even there is an ice cream counter which I'll be showing you later in the video. So please watch this video until the end and also subscribe to Khana Mubarak and tap the bell icon. And I am sure that you have also been to this mela, so please comment us and let us know what are the dishes you tried. And this is a simple rice and curry. As you can see, there's a simple rice and curry. There was a huge queue for this also because it was a lunch time and then people were ready to have this. There was also Avarabale, Uppitu, Husli, and this is the Uppit or Kesari Bath as it is known in Karnataka and Bengaluru. This counter was just adjacent to the Avarabale biryani counter. As you can see, this is the Husdi and Shavige Bath. This looks like a chitranna. This is the Shavige Bath which was prepared with a variation. Even there was Avarabale biryani, and one thing I noticed was that the Avarabale biryani was getting over very fast and there was a huge queue and they were preparing it again and again. This is the Shavige Bath. There are many counters and there was a specific desserts counter prepared using the Avarabale beans. So this finally we got to try the jalebi and the gulab jamun made from the beans. This was both were good and tasty as normal, but you will not specifically identify the beans taste in this, but both were good. In the jalebi you can slightly make out the taste of the beans, but in the gulab jamun it was difficult to make out the taste. And the Avarabale chikki was also nice, but it was very hard. There was Avarabale Mysore pak. There's a slight touch of, but the Mysore pak was same tasting like the normal ones. And also there were other items. This is the saru which was served with the puri and saru. The curry prepared from the Avarabale beans. This is the halwa. So these all items were prepared using the Avarabale beans. There were burfis. Also there were specifically counters where the counters which had very huge rush was the desserts counter, the biryani counters and all the other food items. But the standout item I'll be showing in the next, which was the most tastiest food item at the Avarabale Mela 2024, which recently concluded on 9th January. So this is the dosa being prepared. And also the idli counters, 30 idli. There were many counters which were serving the normal South Indian foods which were prepared with a touch of Avarabale. This is the masala vada counter and this by far was the most tastiest item at the Avarabale Mela. This is the masala vada and it was very tasty. The masala, the touch of Avarabale in it, it was amazing. This is the standout item of the complete Mela. And about the aloo bonda, it was also good. It was a usual aloo bonda with potatoes and a mixture of beans in it. This was also good, but masala vada I would say was the tastiest item of the complete mela. And there was huge queue at the bhajia stall or the pakoda stall which was being prepared from the avarabele and onions. It was okay, not that special. There was a huge rush at the desserts counter and especially the gulab jamun which was prepared using the beans. This is the usual milk cake which was also kept at the counter along with the other types of sweets. Even the chikki was good but not that special because it was very hard. This is the avarabale chikki, the usual chikki with a mix of avarabale beans. There were puffs. There were even buns. This is the halwa prepared using the beans. The bakery items were there like the masala buns were there, puffs were there, and even rice, chitrana and other rice varieties prepared using the beans. Even there was a huge queue for the jalebi counter. This was a jalebi in making. Along with the other sweets. So in each and every counter you will find other sweet items also. This was a huge mela. The jalebi counter was the same. Dessert counters were every sweet prepared from the avarabelle beans. This was a sweet counter. Even the Mysore Pak had a touch of avarabelle beans in it. This was a usual cake. There was even Kaju Katli was there. So in each and every counter, what I noticed was there was along with the food items prepared using the beans, there were also other items which are usually available throughout the year in outside market. That there was a huge queue for each and every counter, and this is the National College grounds where the Avarabale Mela 2024 was organized, and on the right side there is a cricket ground. This was the other entrance. These were some of the vendors selling the other items. There was also a chaat counter where charts were being prepared using the beans. Everything was same, but they were adding beans, the roasted beans, and this was the bel puri. We didn't try the charts, but we did try the jalebi, gulab jamun, and the masala vada, which was the ultimate. We also tried some other items, but our most favorite item was masala vada, and second was the ice cream. The highlight of this ice cream was there were tiny pieces of the roasted avarabelle which were crispy and crunchy and gave a very unique texture to the ice cream, and it was very tasty. This was the second most tastiest item prepared from the avarabelle at the Mela after masala vada. So this is the National College grounds, and you can see the National College metro station in front of it. The ground is exactly opposite the station, and this is the Mela which was organized at the National College grounds from January 5th to January 9th. There was also a VIP section at the Mela for which there were options to book it online. The tickets were available online for the VIP section. The only difference was that there was chairs in the VIP section, but whereas the normal section where there were no chairs, only counters. And so this was the video of the Avarabale Mela 2024. Like and share. Take care. Stay safe. Khana Mubarak. Khuda Hafiz.